Hi, in this video, I will be talking about statistical process control, the C chart. Control charts for attributes, the C chart. C charts show how the process measured by the number of non-conformities per item or group of items changes over time. For example, the number of errors found in documents typed by a program assistant over the last 14-day period are recorded below. Create the C chart for this 14-day period. Is this process out of control? The data is shown in the table right here. We have the data provided here. So in this column, we have the number of errors over the 14-day period. So we take the average of the column. The value obtained here is our C bar. The center line is C bar, which is 3.286. The lower control limit is computed by C bar minus 3 multiplied by the square root of C bar. So if we put C bar into that equation, we get negative 2.152. Again, if the value of my LCL is less than 0, I will replace it by 0. Computing the UCL, I have C bar plus 3 multiplied by the square root of C bar. When I put the values of C bar into the equation, I get 8.724. Next, I go to Excel. I put my C in one column, that is the number of errors for the 14-day period, my center line, which I obtained from the equation, and my UCL in that column, and my LCL in the other column. Then I'll go ahead and highlight all the 4 columns. Next, I'll click on Insert, and then this one right here, and then the very first one. So this right here will be my C chart. Looking at this chart, I see that there is an upward trend. Hence, the process is out of statistical control. Thank you for watching this video.